introduce yourself?
I'm JP Moray, senior midfielder from Marquette High School. And I'm Matt Wagner, senior defender, number 2 from Marquette.
We've got the 2 game-winning goal scorers this week, right?
It feels great. It feels unbelievable.
How long has it been since there was a district title at Marquette?
2005, 9 years.
That my nephew played on that Glendale team that you guys beat in the quarterfinals, damn you.
9 years. It's been too long.
That long, huh?
It's been too long.
CBC's been the guys that have been your bane,
Yeah,
right?
the past 2 years we've lost them, and it's finally time for revenge.
I've been at those games. So Greasaver's going to be out there. What's he going to tell you when he sees you?
He'll be like, great job, boys.
He's going to be very
proud of us. The heart we had.
I saw Werner last night. I covered him, and he didn't want to talk about the win. He wanted to talk about the fans. And that video I took.
Yeah.
You got a few of them here today, don't you?
Oh, for sure. These fans, they're unbelible. I mean, couldn't have done it without them.
What was the comment I heard? Not in my house?
Not in my house.
Not in my house.
Not this time. Not this year. Look at it.
Are you back? Well done, fellas.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.